Let's learn about set intersection by looking at a specific example. We have two sets. Set A, which contains the elements 2, 3, and 4, and set C, which contains the elements 2, A, and B. The intersection of two sets, denoted by this symbol, contains all elements that are common to both sets. Let's visualize this using a Venn diagram. Let's place the elements in their respective regions. In set A, we have 2, 3, and 4. In set C, we have 2, A, and B. Notice that the element 2 appears in both sets, so it goes in the overlapping region. Therefore, the intersection of sets A and C contains only the element 2. We write this as a intersection C equals the set containing 2. Let's highlight why this is the case. Looking at our sets again. Set A has 2, 3, and 4, while set C has 2, A, and B. The only element that appears in both sets is 2, which is why it's the only element in the intersection. To summarize, the intersection of two sets contains only the elements that appear in both sets. In our example, since 2 was the only element present in both set A and set C, the intersection A intersection C equals the set containing just 2. Remember, when finding the intersection of sets, we're looking for elements that are members of both sets. Elements that appear in only one set are not included in the intersection.